Hi friends, how are you today? Good morning. I am Ho Tram in a special beach here, and I want to show you today is a beach. It's a private beach. Also, these are wonderful pool. Now I'll take my drone outside, and we fly a little bit over the beach and see around what they have. Let's go, let's go. Yes friends, this was the Ho Tram's bird's eye view. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more travel videos. I would be very happy if you could write a comment, even it was a dot. See you next time. Bye bye.
Let's go, yo. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet, lose won't happen.